by my gauge, it looks like it's still going up.
Australia is in a state of emergency today, Sunday, February 2nd, 2025. It began with heavy rain triggering record-breaking floods in northern Queensland, which have now turned into a deadly disaster. At least one woman has been confirmed dead after drowning in the floods in Ingham, about 100 kilometers from Townsville.
Some flooded vehicles there. What a shame. It's hard. It's easy for that to happen. But yeah, bit of a shame. Sorry, people.
Flooding has hit Queensland, forcing residents in parts of Townsville and Ingham, including Cluden, Hermit Park, Idalia, Oonoonba, Railway Estate, and Rosslea, to evacuate following warnings that water levels could reach the second floors of some buildings. The Bureau of Meteorology reported that total rainfall has exceeded 250 millimeters in the past 6 hours. As a result, flash floods have submerged homes, businesses, and properties, turning streets into rivers. The situation in Ingham could be similar to the massive 1967 flood, but hopefully not. Many vehicles, including cars, are now underwater. Areas such as Lanarcost, McIlrath Street, and Courtyard are experiencing severe flooding. Queensland Premier David Crisafulli has urged residents to avoid roads during these dangerous flood conditions.